Let's talk about initial state. I have my previous simulate setup little setup here, so I'm gonna simulate it to see what's happening. And initial state. Let's say you want the fluid to be like relaxed, or let's say the fluid you want the fluid to already have some run up, and so 24 frames. And you want to start a simulation here, so you would like to have the frame 24 at frame 0. So we can just create an initial state and turn on use initial state, and then right click, just click on the arrow and say reset to initial state, and then when you reset it, then the fluid is gonna stay there, nothing is cached, and then when you hit simulate, then it's going to continue from here. There is another way to do this. Of course, you can set initial state for rigid body simulation, for large scale simulation. Like you can take the hemisphere, and that has initial states too, and the fluid and the large scale fluids, and demons don't have that, but splashes and other stuff have that. And there's another way to do this. So you uncheck this and then reset. That means that the fluid goes back to no initial state mode, and we can run it up differently. So let's say you click here. In Realflow 4 we only had the lock button, so you can simulate and it does something. So basically the timeline doesn't change, and then you run up and you like it, and then you uncheck the lock and you just continue simming. Now there's another way to do it. You check the arrow and it has frames countdown, so you can put in a number, like let's put in the 24 and check use frames countdown. Okay, and then let's sim. So it's oops, I forgot to lock it. Okay, so lock it, simulate. So the timeline doesn't move for 24 frames, and then it starts moving. So basically it went -24, it ran up, and then it continues simulation. It's really similar to the initial state, it's just a different way to do it. And you can submit to the form, so you don't have to do it in 2 steps. So make initial state and then create it. So you can just run up, and you can turn it off anytime. Just go here, don't use countdown, simulate, and then it doesn't do it. Alright, this was about initial state. Check my other videos and have fun with Realflow.